Hello, good morning. It's a happy Tuesday. Hope you are doing amazing. So, past 2 days we are talking about our hunger pangs and what makes us to eat. So today I am going to talk about what, right? So hi Karthik, thank you for joining. Hope you are doing great. Happy to see you. So now I'm going to talk about diet. So whenever diet comes to our mind, we get a phobia, right? As if we are sick. So especially the people who are fat. So whenever hi, good morning Shweta. Happy morning to you. So whenever we start of weight loss, we think diet in our mind, and top of that, people around us ask us, "Are you on a diet?" Let me just show you one thing. Just hold on. Good morning. Thank you, Shweta. Good morning. Hope you can hear me clear. Okay. So whenever you eat carrots or any vegetables, the first question your friends, colleague, and family ask you, "Are you on a diet?" Diet has become in my mind as if I have cancer. So what actually diet means, right? So if we all have studied in 8th standard, the balanced diet chart, the hierarchy like morning what you have to eat, dinner what you have to eat, and it consists of all vegetables. So जब भी हम खाना खाते हैं उस बैलेंस डाइट में क्लियरली मेंशन है कि डिनर में क्या खाना है, लंच में क्या खाना है, ब्रेकफास्ट में खाना है, कितने प्रोटीन्स होने चाहिए. सो ये एक नॉर्मल बात है. व्हेन इट कम्स टू डाइट, oh god, the moment we hear the name diet means it's a punishment. So I don't call it a diet. Okay, so diet is a meal what we are taking. It's a normal term. It's just not applicable to people who are trying to lose weight. That's the difference. So now what I'm going to share here, how diet, अब मुझे क्या खाना चाहिए, मुझे क्या नहीं खाना चाहिए. That's the question always people ask me, Usha, what are you eating? क्या खा रहे हो अभी, लंच में क्या खा रहे हो, डिनर में क्या खा रहे हो. See, the meal plans are different for different individual because बचपन से हम लोग एक तरह का खाना खा रहे हैं. Because all families are different, we all have a different eating habits. Okay, let me just reply. Good morning all. So we have cultivated a habit. Hi Somesh, thank you for joining. So we have cultivated habit of eating. For example, if a child is from a South Indian family, they will be eating their staple food will be rice, dosa, chutney, idli. But if a child is grown up in a North Indian family, they'll be eating chapati, rice. And suddenly both of them decide to go on a diet. The dietitian or the health professional give, okay, eat chapati. That's the only thing they will give. So we all are different. So our diet also should be different. It cannot be same as I am eating, and it cannot be same as you are eating. Your body type, my body type are different. और हम बचपन से ऐसा खाना खा रहे हैं and suddenly we are asked to eat something which we don't like, it don't strive along. So I have done multiple crash dieters where I have eaten, like I did paleo diet. उसमें सिर्फ high carbs, high fats I used to eat, only chicken, butter and everything. So 6 months I enjoyed because I love non-veg, paneer and everything. But post 6 months, after losing 25 kg, if somebody asked me to do that diet again, I said no, I'm sorry. So this crash diet works, but for some time limit. It cannot be going beyond, like after 6 months you can still eat them. And we fall back in our weight loss because we try to go to our old habits, because that's how we have grown up and developed, right? So whenever you're trying to start your journey, either a crash diet or a meal plan, you should start with what you like and love. So example, if you like idlis and your trainer say you should eat only 2 breads, then you should think, right? Now I'll tell you a secret how you should choose your food, right? Now whatever food we are eating, it converts. So carbs are converts. So carbs means carbohydrates. वो हमारे ग्लूकोज में कन्वर्ट होते हैं। ग्लूकोज क्या करता है बॉडी में? इट जनरेट्स इंसुलिन which helps in converting extra glucose to fat. So we need to identify which food is shooting up our glucose. Now there is a glycemic index, you can find in Google. There is different food उन्होंने mention किया है कि राइस खाने से कितना लेवल होता है, ये होता है, लेकिन वो लेवल क्या है? आप अगर उसे empty stomach खा रहे हैं, if you are going to eat empty stomach, then your glucose level is going to shoot up. So never take a carbs empty stomach. Hi Krish. Okay, so what you have to do, you should know what type of food you're eating currently. For example, you're eating morning 2 idlis, if you're a South Indian or a North Indian, whatever your diet plans are there. Hi. So we need to see morning जो भी हम पसंद करते हैं वो खाना है. Then we need to see mixed snacks. Then we need to see our lunch. Hi Sushmita, thank you for joining. And then we have to see what we are eating in evening and dinner. So this compromise your whole day. So don't get fear of diet, and I will request people, especially, do not ask somebody who is on weight loss, are you on a diet? Because it feels like as if we are sick and we are having, good morning Sushmita, we are having a cancer or something. So instead of asking what healthy food are you eating, what is your meal plan, what is your, so that motivates, okay, I'm doing something good and that gives me happiness. So the first thing you have to do, you should know your blood sugar levels, because carbohydrates increase your blood sugar levels. If you know that, then you should do an experiment for a week, eating whatever food you love, any carbs. So you know, okay, पिज़्ज़ा खाने से मेरा इतना ग्लूकोज लेवल बढ़ रहा है, राइस खाने से इतना बढ़ रहा है, या जो भी फूड हमको पसंद है हम ज़्यादा हॉक करते हैं, बिकॉज सब खाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. हम लोग को पता करना है द फूड विच वी आर ईटिंग is actually increasing my glucose. So if you know, like, okay, pizza, rice, these are increasing my glucose level, which is again going to store fat in my body, right? So what we can do about it? For example, you have identified these are food. So I will not say not eat, because we love that food, we should be eating it. But what frequency you will be eating will change. So you will not, for example, if rice is increasing my glucose level, I can't eat everyday rice, because I am going to store more fat on my body, because I have been in South India for more than 30 years now, and I love South Indian food and I love rice and things. So I never liked chapati because it kind of gives me heat. But I did my analysis, good morning master, that my body is cold, my element in my body is cold, and rice is cold. If I'm eating rice again, my body is going to become cold, right? And I'm getting I may get sneezing and everything. So already my body is a water content, and if I drink 3 to 4 liters of water, then again I'm adding water to my body. So knowing your element which drives your body helps you to know what kind of food you eat, and knowing your glucose level, it helps you what food is actually acting upon and showing the response. So first you should know what drives, which element is driving. Is your body is heat, is your body cold, is your body element is having more of wind environment. So to know that, there is a couple of questions you should answer and do, and I will send those form in my Google. I will say update that form in my link, and you can just update your information. I'll be able to tell what drives your element. So that is going to help to choose the foods you eat. So never go on a diet plan which you don't love it, because short and sustainability will not work. Okay, we will be in Josh, right? Gym जाना है, हमको बस इतना ही खाना है. The moment we got some result, we fall back in our life. So I am working on for women to reduce weight and never fall back. So for that they should love what they are eating first of all. Okay, hi Raj. So hope you all like this, and I would like you to try on you. So know your food which you like the most. It could be pizza, rice, anything. try to check your blood sugar level. So there is a glucometer coming, you can get it your home, or you want to do at a hospital, it's up to you. So you can check, because if you're really serious about weight loss, then buy one glucometer, because that will help you to know when your glucose level is increased, because that drives our weight gain. So if we can control that, then we know which food to eat and we can love the food we are. So don't think diet is something, is a punishment for us. And could you share meal plans for the whole day? Okay, Sushmita, it depends on each individual. Now you are a bodybuilder, so we do a lot of, so doing based on that your protein use to not be torn, or that's the reason weight train protein our must down brings. So average, if she's, for example, she can do eggs. If she's a non-vegetarian or vegetarian, take I'll give, because it's depending, because mindset how it works out, how plan your accord, and the important start your struggle start going to come us with, and start right, we want to not all. Sushmita, can you hear me now? Am I audible? Can you hear me now? Can you confirm? Hello? Hello, hello? I think I'm audible now. Hope you can hear me. I'm sorry if you can't hear me. Can anyone confirm that I'm audible? Anyone? Hello? Let me just type. Am I audible? Thank you for sharing, asking this beautiful question. So meal plan differs to each person, is what I have realized in my journey, and I would wish everybody to pick up their own meal plan and eat the food what they love, and start their journey and enjoy the journey, because this is going to be a lifetime change in your life, and you don't want a short-term change, right? For example, you got ₹1 crore. Do you want that to go away? No, right? Because we want to be rich. Same way, when you get a perfect health with a process which you have loved, then you will not fall back in your weight. So that's the mistake I was doing, because I was just looking at very short time. Okay, when I started my journey in 2014, I thought I will just take the meal replacement, because I can't walk, I could not breathe. So that was the struggle of me. Even when I was boarding the cab, I used to so struggle if I have to sit backside of the cab. Okay, so that made me, okay, I can't do anything. My mindset, I can't change, I can't do hard work. I just went, paid 6,000 for that big boss of meal replacement, and I just started eating that. I ate for 6 months, so I spent 36,000 rupees, right? And after 6 months, I lost 15 kg. I was happy, I'm looking good, people appreciating, Usha, you have changed a lot and everything. I was enjoying my moment. But after 2 months, I just got this weight back. So anything we try for a short term will not work until we don't have a future plan how we are going to cope up with next step. So we need to, ऐसा डाइट हम लोग को फॉलो करना चाहिए जो हम लाइफ लॉन्ग फॉलो, नेवर कम्स आउट because your capacity you will end up eating. So thinking that, and don't even diet, call it a diet, it's really a little that word. You can call meal, because meals are we eat, right? Or whatever you love, just eat your food, enjoy your food, and live healthy. Take care, bye bye. Thank you for joining.